Good afternoon, everyone. So today we delve deeper into the world of retail sector, where trends shift, where consumers evolve, and innovative strategies change the landscape of commerce. To delve deeper into this, I would like to know what's inspired you to choose a career in retail management.
I would like to start with my own experience in COVID 19 while I was preparing for my CAT exam. I was fascinated on how to build my own environmental conscious fashion brand. So I wanted to gain a comprehensive knowledge on that. So I gathered all the information about this college, and I got to know that it offers its re-owned program, which is retail management program, which gives I understand it is a better way. It gives us opportunity to make a tangible impact on business outcomes, and it has helped me to understand what how to manage retail operation, and so far it has proven to be the best platform for me to gain my experience and knowledge and develop my skills.
So, how has retail management as a program helped all of us to understand more about the retail industry?
I think for me, it has enriched me with the wholesome knowledge of retail industry, be it organized sector or non-organized sector, and it has also gained me insights about retail merchandising, customer relationship management. Most importantly, how to do research and analyze the market research, and of course, marketing and brand management. Yeah.
So in Trying 2, we had a subject related to research papers. So where there we were provided with the guidance and mentorship, and we were able to present our research papers to our in-house faculty and also through other external competitions.
So, what are some key trends which are really trending in the retail sector, and you think really that this will shape the industry?
So I would like to answer that. So during my journey in retail sector, and I came across few trends being rise in e-commerce, omni-channel, sustainability in business, and the customer experience and doing the personalization. So during in this 2 years journey, I came across that not only a physical practical knowledge but also the theoretical knowledge is equally as important, and you can also see that many big brands are using these trends in their business and succeeding as well.
Yeah, according to my experience in Wellinger Institute of Management, I think I might be able to apply these skills into the firm, which I'm one of the biggest firm which I'm getting into.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
it helped me a lot.
So, how do you all feel? What's the perception of impact of technology in the retail sector? And according to your experience, of course, in this 2 years journey.
So technology has actually impacted all of us in all of our scenarios. But coming back to the retail sector, to be very niche, retail has been evolved with technology a lot. For example, in this time we have a concept of endless aisle, which is given by the technology as well. I was also interning with one of the companies in retail, and where I've got to know about the video analytics, which is actually the use of technology, video data, to analyze the customer interpretation and do other things. Other than that, we also use AI, MLs, and
Yeah.
bots to install in the stores and retail sector, to enhance the customer experience and to give them satisfaction at most. And apart from that, it also impacted on omnichannel strategies,
Yeah.
and omnichannel strategies and to present everywhere at the same time.
I would like to add something. It also helps retailers to streamline the retail operations in their business. So it is very important. They can deliver fast to their customers and streamline their operations. So I feel it is important.
And technology has also increased the availability of goods, wherein people being either in the rural or the urban cities can have access to things all around the globe.
Yeah, I agree.
Right. So, in what ways you all feel that leadership, or be it entrepreneurial roles, how the course has helped us?
So mainly talking about leadership skills, retail main management has helped us to increase our leadership as well as our teamwork skills. Because most of our projects given to us by our faculty are mainly group projects. So wherein we get to work with different different students, and which is very essential as we'll be going to the corporate world and talking about the entrepreneurship skills. So we have a project which is known as the Retail Fiesta, wherein we get a chance to be an entrepreneur and we set up stalls.
So yeah, truly, because when we also had our presentations for every trimester, for every subject, we had many presentations, and that actually helped us to take upon that leadership role and really do some leadership.
And taking the lead, it can guide us several members of the team. So it
And
helps
not
us.
only we worked on the project on the campus, but we also worked on various projects on field also, which also helped in developing these skills.
I agree.
Right. So, in what ways Mumbai's dynamic retail landscape has helped us to take the advantage in our curriculum?
So our campus being in the Mumbai city, in the center of the Mumbai, is actually a boon for us, because it has opened a lot of doors to us. For example, in a walk away, we'll get to all the retail specializations or around the corner. For example, we have a subject called mall management.
Yeah.
For that, we got an opportunity to get an immersion with a leading mall, which helped us to get the practical knowledge about the subject. Other than that, we also get to know about the unorganized retail sector. We got projects on that, and we were able to go into Crawford markets or a fashion street market to analyze that and to study about that. So Mumbai as a place is very much helpful for us to understand this particular course.
Yeah, truly, because I remember when we were given a subject where we had to literally interview customers for our research project. These were the demographic, the segmentation which we chose. Mumbai was the only place where we, researched for our project. So I think we got a lot of insights into how is the Mumbai and what are the clients, what are the customers perceive and think about specific points.
Also, this is not only specific to marketing or sales one, but also people in retail management can choose the specialization, be it finance, HR, operations, and they also are asked to do the same work in the field as well.
Yeah.
So, which helped.
It has become a taboo that retail, if you are in retail program, you have to only operate the store. But it's not that. It's above that. We can get the knowledge of entrepreneurship, and we can set up our own business, and we can delve deeply into the intricacies of real world retail scenarios, and we can apply those skills. And not just that, it has made us understand the retail landscape. So yeah, I think it is very important for us to understand the real world scenario, what is going on outside, and inbuild those strategies, not make any mistakes which we saw in our trimesters. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. You want to add something? So yeah, so we had a very insightful session with you all. So thank you so much to be a part of it.
Thank you.
We'd love it.